In this video, I will show you how to fix FiveM if it's not opening. We will be covering a few methods, with the first one being adding FiveM as an exclusion to your Windows Defender. Your Defender might have detected it as a virus and might be stopping it from running. To do that, first off, you will need to go to the bottom left of your screen, open up the search button right here, and in here write Run, and open up the application at the top, or you can just press Windows key plus R. In the run prompt that opens up, you write app data, and you press the enter button, and then you go into local. Then when you get right here, you scroll down and you open up the FiveM folder, which is right here. Then when you get inside of the FiveM folder, you click in the file location tab right here. Then you right click and press copy. Then you can close this tab right here. Then go back to the search button on the bottom left, open it up, and write Windows Security. Then choose the application at the top. After you have gotten to Windows Security, you open up this tile right here, Virus and Threat Protection. Then you go into Virus and Threat Protection Settings and you press Manage Settings. Now after you have gotten here, you scroll down and you find the Exclusions option right here, and then you press Add or Remove Exclusions. Now after you have gotten to this tab right here, you press Add an Exclusion, then press Folder, and when you get right here, you navigate to the top, you press the file path once again, right click and paste, and you will press the enter button. Now you will be redirected right here, and you just press the select folder in the bottom. And we have successfully added FiveM as an exclusion to our Windows Defender. Now, after you have done this, try running FiveM and seeing if it works. If it doesn't, move on to the next method. For the next method, we will be deleting the temporary files of FiveM. You might have some corrupt files in there that are not letting FiveM launch. Do not worry, deleting these won't result in loss of game progress. Before we go over to deleting the files, make sure that you have fully closed FiveM, even if it's not launching. Sometimes applications can half open. If that is the case, you won't be able to delete the files. To double check, you can navigate to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button right here, then in there write Task Manager, and open up the application. Then scroll down and look if there is a FiveM open. If it is, just select it. Let's say, for example, this is FiveM, right click and press End Task. If there is no FiveM, you can just close the Task Manager and continue with the method. To delete the files, you will need to go to the bottom left of your screen and press the search button right here and write Run and select the application at the top, or you can simply press Windows key plus R. Then in the run prompt in the bottom left, just write app data and press the enter button. Now you go into the local folder at the top, then you scroll down and you locate the FiveM folder. Here it is. Then you go into FiveM application data, then you go into data folder right here, and you select and delete cache, server cache, and server cache priv. After you have selected them, right click and press the delete button. And now after you have deleted them, also go to a recycle bin, right click and press empty recycle bin. The next step might not be an issue with FiveM, but it might be an issue with GTA 5, and you will need to verify the integrity of the game files of GTA 5 itself. To do that, if you're using Steam, you open up Steam, you locate GTA 5 in your library, you press right click, then you press properties, then you go into installed files right here, and you press this button called verify integrity of game files. If you're using Epic Games Launcher, you can open up Epic Games, then go into library, scroll down and locate GTA 5, then press the three dots right here, then press the manage button, and then press the verify button at the top of verify files. What this will do is basically go through all the files and make sure that nothing is corrupted. And if it's corrupted, it will fix itself. Now you can try to open up FiveM once again. If you're still having trouble, you can go over to the next method. For the next method, you can try copying the FiveM.exe file to GTA folder. This works because FiveM requires some modules and libraries that exist in the GTA directory. To do this, you will need to go to the bottom left of your screen, press the search button, and in here write Run, and select the application at the top, or just press Windows key plus R. Then in the run prompt in the bottom left, you write app data and press the enter button. Then you go into the local folder right here, Then you scroll down and look for FiveM. Here it is. And you locate this file right here. You select it and press right click and copy it. Now you need to find the installation folder of GTA 5. For me, it's in local disk E and Epic Games, then GTA 5, and here it is. I can just right click and press paste. Now I can try and run FiveM once again and see if it works right now. If it doesn't, we have a few more tricks up our sleeve. Another thing you can do is disable your antivirus. The reason we are doing this is that the antivirus might still be blocking some services. Only disable it while you launch FiveM, and after you have launched it, enable it back. Leaving it off for longer periods of time could expose you to malicious content and viruses. To do that, you can go into the bottom left, press the search button, in here write Windows, Security, and open up the application at the top. Now, after you've gotten right here, you go into Virus and Threat Protection, then you press Manage Settings right here, and you disable the real-time protection option right here by pressing this button right here. And if that still didn't work, you can just go to the last resort and try reinstalling both GTA 5 and FiveM. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.